We're currently at a place called Warialda. We were passing through here late at night. We were going to go down further, but because it was getting late, we decided we'd stop off for the night. I went over to the information centre and the lady there gave this place such a good plug. Said there's lots to see and interesting bits and pieces around the town. So we decided we'd stay the night, and it's ended up being a couple of nights. These little towns, you never know what you're going to find. You drive through and you think, oh, there's one or two streets here, not much is happening, we won't bother to stop. But this place has made an effort, and it is actually a lot bigger than what you think it is. There's more than one or two streets. It goes up the hill, up the two hills actually. They've had an artist do street graffiti, so they've put signs on the building, side of the buildings. Each sign is depicting a different theme which relates to what the building is. So that's a bit different. We're at the bikini tree. It's been here since about 1970s. Some lady thought this looked like a female's body, so she painted a bikini on it, and now it's one of the tourist points of the area. Looks pretty good, but she's got a bit of a pot belly. We went up to a place called Cranky Rock. Interesting place. Granite boulders that are balanced on top of each other, and they're absolutely huge. You think that you could just go and push them off and that they'd fall over the edge of the cliff. There's a walking path and a platform there so that you can get up nice and close, or you can go down into the creek and look up. There's a different perspective from both places, so it's an interesting place.
Cranky Rock, so named after a Chinaman went mad in the 1800s and killed some lad's mother because he was playing cards with him, and then he stabbed the mother. So they eventually tracked him out here. Leapt off the rock evidently and committed suicide. We've come about 100 kilometres from where our camp is today, but we did see hundreds of cattle in the long paddock. And the long paddock, for those that don't know, is all the grass along the sides of the road. Now, some of them look pretty thin, others didn't look too bad, so the drought was really hit out here. At the moment we're at a place called Sawn Rocks. It's called Sawn Rocks because they were formed in a volcanic upheaval, and they drop off in sections and break at the bottom. Quite often they break off because the bushes grow in the cracks, and as the roots expand, they crack the rocks and down they come. Now when they hit the bottom they break up, and when you see them you swear they've been sawn. So hence the name Sawn Rocks.
I hope you like these spots that we've taken you to. Press the like button down below. Feel free to add a comment, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.